Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix Canon G3010 printer no power or can't power on problem. Okay, press power button. I am pressing power button but printer is not powering on. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, remove power cord from printer. Okay, then remove printer power supply. This is our printer power supply. Need to replace this power supply. This power supply is dead. Replace to new one. Okay, now I am going to show you how to replace this. Okay, first you connect power supply, printer bottom right side, connect this connector and slowly press this and then lock. Okay, now connect power cable to printer, then press power button. Now you see printer is power on. Okay, problem is fixed. Now you check printer is warming. We'll show you this is the printer display. Printer is ready to print. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.